Good day, everyone. So we are the Group 3. So today, we will present our topic about the common competencies in hairdressing and C2 superseded. So this presentation po focuses on the essential skill needed to become a professional hairdresser someday. So, same with basic competencies, yung sa TR po, transfer lang natin from TR to CT. So, meron tayo doon yung unit of competency is nilagay lang natin dito sa CT, yung duration time, nilagay din natin dito, and yung mga LO na dapat natin i-comply. So, first is we have a maintain effective relationship with clients and customers. So this competency focuses on how we properly communicate and interact with clients. Building a good relationship is important to ensure customer satisfaction and loyalty. So, from under the maintain effective relationship with clients, customer is meron tayong tatlong LO. Yung LO nito is the maintain professional image. So yun, nilagay lang natin dito yung a professional image means being net, clean, and well groomed at all times. This help create a positive first impression and show respect to the client. Next is the meet clients' customer requirements. In this part, we must listen carefully to the client's need and preferences. We should provide service that match their expectation to ensure satisfaction. So when it comes to LO3, build credibility with clients. So building credibility means gaining the trust of clients. We can do this by being honest, respectful, and consistent in giving the quality service. So aside from LO ng unit of competency natin, meron din siyang content and yung condition po. So yung the methodologies nito is the group discussion and interaction. So when it comes to the assessment methods, meron siyang written test and interview. So next, let's proceed to the second unit of competency, which is the manage own performance. So this competency focuses on how we manage our own tasks and responsibilities po. So it helps us become more organized and efficient in our work po. So under the competency of manage own performance, meron siyang tatlong LO, which is the first LO is the plan of completion of own overload. The second one is maintain quality of own performance. And the third one is the build credibility. So aside from that, meron siya din na content na kinuha lang natin sa content na naka-align dito. And when it comes to the condition, align din dapat siya dito para kung ano yung kailangan and makita dito sa condition. So when it comes to the methodology is group discussion and interaction. So when it comes to the assessment of methods, meron siya dapat na observation and the role playing po. So the third competency of common is the apply quality standard po. So this competency ensure that all service meet proper standard po. So it focuses on how improving the overall quality of work. So under the competency is meron siyang tatlong learning objectives. First objectives is to assist client service needs. So we must first understand what the clients need before starting the service po. The second competency is the assess on work. So napaka-importante nito lalo na sa ang ating word. So on the third learning objectives rather is the engage in quality improvement. So we should always look for ways to improve our skill. Learning new techniques help us stay updated and competitive. So meron siyang content. So yung content is nakita lang natin dun sa TR and then nilagay din natin dito. And yung condition nito kung ano yung nakikita natin na condition is dapat nandito din siya and nakikita naman natin dito sa presentation. So when it comes to the methodologies is dapat meron siyang group discussion and interaction. So sa assessment method naman nito is the demonstration and observation. So let's proceed to the last unit of competency of common in hairdressing is the maintain safe, clean, and efficient work environment po. So a clean and safe workplace is a very important in hairdressing or sa kahit anong work because it's protect both the client and the workers from possible harm po. So under the maintain safe, clean, and efficient work environment, meron siyang limang learning objectives. First is the comply with health regulation. So we must follow the protect sanitation dapat po and hygiene practices. This prevent rather infection to ensure the safety. The second LO is assess own work. So we need to evaluate own work to see if it meet standard. So nakakatulong din ito to improve the correct mistake. The third LO is the check and maintain tools in equipment. So all tools must be clean in good condition dapat. So proper maintaining ensure safety and efficiency. So the fourth LO is the check and maintain stock. So we should always check if the supplies are complete. So the last unit of competence, LO is the provide and relax and caring environment. So the client should feel comfortable and relax para magaan yung nila. So aside from Hello, meron din siyang content na makikita din natin sa TR and yung condition din na makukuha din doon. So, when it comes to the methodology is meron siyang group discussion and land tour. So, when it comes to the assessment method is meron siyang symposium and observation and the interview. So that's all for our presentation and common competency and hairdressing and C2 sa President. So thank you for listening. Again, I am Giancarlo Casalimud from reporter for this group. Thank you po.